Dear teachers, today we are going to learn about how to write portfolio activity for module 16. Integration, the pre-vocational skills with a theme of your choice or the subject. This is our portfolio we have to write. First of all, know the other nouns of our portfolio to write a better portfolio. Select topic or theme in our subject you teach. Identify the pre-vocational skills they can be integrated in the topic. In that topic, write a lesson plan with all the activities that you be organizing for teaching the pre-vocational skills that you have identified. And then conduct some activities related to the themes in art, science, craft, agriculture, technology, etc. and prepare an e-portfolio with photographs. You please observe here a portfolio activity on module 16, pre-vocational courses in education. Topic I chosen creativity. Grade for 1 to 5th classes. Theme craft. That means creativity, craft based learning, origami work. Objectives: to utilize the leisure time to learn life skills and creative skills, to make a good items and enjoy by doing crafts. You can add more according to your topic chosen. Material required: colored papers, star papers, gum bottle, scissors, wedding cards, cardboards, low cost material, etc. You can add some more materials to do any work of creative works, creative session. Identified pre-vocational skills. Identify pre-vocational skills. In this portfolio, doing good items from waste materials like origami crafts. Turn waste into best. That is our theme of this portfolio, and that is also the theme of vocational courses. Vocational courses give children an opportunity to settle in life. Activity: teacher arrange the children in U shape and ask them to observe what she is doing with each material. Teacher says students to observe how she turns the waste into best. After that, teacher will provide the same material to the children and ask them to do the same. If necessary, the teacher will guide them once another time. Assessment: how do you think these activities are useful in your daily life? What is the use of crafts and their making? After that, teacher enters a project to them to do and submit in a week or in a month. Do a project on turning waste into the best. Teacher suggests the children to take only the low cost material or used material to make a craft item which are available in our surroundings. You see here I have attached some greeting cards made by the children and some craft work done by the students. You know teachers, today is January 1st. You know the value of the greeting cards. If they learn making greeting cards, they will enjoy the work by doing and making, and they save their money and they will become skillful persons. That is the motto of our module 16 portfolio sessions and also the courses. So, you please write a portfolio regarding art, craft, any skill work or any vocational work and submit your photos. You can also attach any previous working photos of your children or any gathered photos of your children. Teachers, prepare your children confidently by showing some craft made videos to them and give guidance in every aspect of SUPW classes or creative classes or skill based classes and make the children skillful. I hope you understood how to write a good portfolio for module 16. Teachers, I have attached a new video clip of my students' creative work. You please watch it. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you.